Hello medicos. Today I will discuss about the venous drainage of the heart. I already uploaded the video related to arterial supply of the heart. If you didn't watch, then go and watch the video. Link in the description. Today I will discuss like great cardiac vein, small cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein. This is the major vein which drain the heart, and also anterior cardiac vein, right and left marginal vein. I will discuss with the diagram both view, anterior view and posterior view. So please focus on the diagram which I will make, and you will learn everything from this diagram. So please focus on this. So let's start the video. Venous drainage of the heart. First of all, I will discuss the classification, how I classify this into parts, different parts. After that, I will discuss you by diagram both anterior and posterior view. So please focus on this. First, start the classification. Vein which drain into the coronary sinuses and vein which directly open into the right atrium. Vein which drain into the coronary sinuses are, I will discuss three major vein like great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein and small cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein are present anteriorly and middle cardiac vein and small cardiac vein are present posteriorly, and also different small veins like right marginal vein, left marginal vein, posterior vein of the left ventricles and oblique vein of the left atrium. In this you will see that anterior view only great cardiac vein, right marginal vein and the left marginal vein are present, and other veins like middle cardiac vein, small cardiac vein, posterior vein of left ventricle and oblique vein of the left atrium, these all veins are present in the posterior part. So I will discuss this when I will make the diagram of posterior view, then you will see this type of the vein, and when I will make the diagram of the anterior view, then you will see this type of the vein. Other classification I made that vein which directly open into the right atrium. Vein which directly open into the right atrium like anterior cardiac vein which present anteriorly and the Thebesian vein. These are also directly open into the right atrium. So first I will start the how I classify this type of the vein. I will discuss these into the two part. First of all, I will discuss the anterior view, and then after that I will discuss into the posterior view. Here is this is the anterior view and this is the posterior view. In this anterior view, I will discuss the diagram of the like great cardiac vein. This is present into the anterior portion, and right marginal vein, left marginal vein, these all are present in the anterior part, and the other veins like middle cardiac vein, small cardiac vein, these all are present in the posterior part. I will make both all veins into the both diagram in the anterior view also in the posterior view, but please understand that when I will make any diagram in anterior view is with dotted line, so please understand that these veins are present in the posterior position, and when I will make the diagram in the posterior view with dotted line, so please understand that these veins are present in the anterior part. So like this, in this I made this is the coronary sinus. What is this? This is the coronary sinus. These are present in the coronary sulcus, coronary sinus. These are present in the posterior part, so I made this with the dotted line. These are present in the posterior part. Here is the posterior view. So first of all I will write the anterior view and posterior view, so you will not confuse in this. This is the anterior view of the heart, and this is the posterior view of the heart. This is the posterior view. So in this posterior view, because coronary sinus present in the posterior direction, so I didn't make in with the dotted line. First of all I will make all veins with in the anterior view Then after I will discuss into the posterior view, so you will not confuse in this. First of all, I will discuss great cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein. These veins are these great cardiac vein. First of all, I will change the color. These veins start from the apex of the heart. Where is the apex of heart? You all know this is the apex of the heart. You all already know this is the right atrium, this is the right ventricle, this is the left atrium, and this is the left ventricle. Here is the interventricular septums are present, you all know, and this is the coronary sinus which are present in the coronary sulcus in the posterior position. So great cardiac vein, it start from the apex of the heart, from the in the left side. Here is the left side of the heart, this is the right portion of the heart, and this is the left portion of the heart, and run in the anterior interventricular groups. This is the anterior interventricular septum, and this is the anterior view of the heart. So here is the anterior interventricular groups where is the great cardiac veins runs. So this runs into the interventricular group anteriorly. Please learn this because in exam it always asks about the which group these veins runs, like great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein, small cardiac vein. So please learn this. This great cardiac vein run into the anterior interventricular group, then go posteriorly and merge into the left end of the coronary sinus. I will make the diagram. This is the part of the apex of heart. So I will think that from here it start, like this is the great cardiac vein. It start from this position and run into the anterior interventricular groups. Here anterior interventricular groups it runs, then go posteriorly. Here it go posteriorly. Here it go posteriorly. So go posteriorly. Here I already discussed that. Here also circumflex artery present in the artery chapter. When before this video I already made this diagram, circumflex artery in the arterial supply of the heart. So here circumflex together with circumflex artery, great cardiac vein go posteriorly and merge into the coronary sinus. Here it merge into the coronary sinus of the posterior part of the coronary sinus. Here is the posterior part of the coronary sinus, left part. Which part? It merge go posteriorly and merge into the left end of the coronary sinus. Here is the right portion, so right end of the coronary sinus. This is the left end of the coronary sinus, and this is the middle part of the coronary sinus. So great cardiac vein start from the apex of the heart, then it run into the interventricular groups and go posteriorly and merge into the left end of the coronary sinuses. This is the great cardiac vein. I will write this is the great cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein. After that I will discuss middle cardiac vein. Middle cardiac vein it start from the inferior surface of heart near apex. Means it also start from the this from the apex of and run into the posterior interventricular group. I already discussed the great cardiac vein which run into the anterior interventricular group, but middle cardiac vein run into the posterior interventricular group. So I will make this diagram with the dotted line. Like I will choose different color. This is the, you consider that this is the near apex of the heart, but it run into the posterior interventricular group, not anterior. So I will make this with the dotted line. Here it go posteriorly, posterior interventricular group and merge into the coronary sinus middle. Which part? I already wrote here that it merge into the middle coronary sinus. This is the middle part of the coronary sinus. I already discussed. This is the middle part of the coronary sinus. So here it merge into the middle part of the coronary sinus. So this is the middle cardiac vein. So one time more revise. It start from the inferior surface of the heart, then near the apex, run into the posterior interventricular grooves, and then merge into the middle coronary sinus. This is the middle part of the coronary sinus, but posteriorly. This merge into the coronary sinus is posteriorly. Third vein is the small cardiac vein. Small cardiac vein, before I will discuss small cardiac vein, I will discuss right marginal vein. Why I will discuss right marginal vein? Because you already know. If you didn't know, I will discuss. Because small cardiac vein start from the, here is the small cardiac vein which start from the right marginal vein. I will first of all I will make the right marginal vein. I already said you about the right marginal vein. This is the right marginal vein. This is the right marginal vein which is present anterior portion, but small cardiac vein which are present in the posterior portion. So first of all I will make the anterior portion of the right marginal vein. Here right marginal vein is start from the right ventricles and run anteriorly and merge into the small cardiac vein. So right cardiac vein start from the here right ventricle. So I will make from different color, like I will choose yellow color, and here is the right, this is the right, this is present in the anterior view, so I will not make this with dotted line, I will make this a line. This is the right marginal vein. This is present on the margins of the heart, like near the margins of the heart. So I will say this marginal vein, and it goes posteriorly. Here it goes posteriorly, and here after that it merge into the small cardiac vein. I already said that is start right marginal vein is start from right ventricles. Here is the right ventricles. It start from the right ventricle and run anteriorly. This is the anterior portion because I didn't make this from dotted line. So this is the anterior, and then merge into the small cardiac vein. Here is the small cardiac vein. I will make, here is the small cardiac vein, but small cardiac vein are present posterior portion. So I will make this with the dotted line and with the different color. So I will choose different color. This is the when right marginal vein go anteriorly, and after bending it go posteriorly and merge into the small cardiac vein. So small cardiac vein I will make, this is the small cardiac vein but dotted line. Why dotted line? Because this is present in the posterior portion. So this is the, this dotted line is the small cardiac vein. So here two things are clear. First is the small cardiac vein, second is the right marginal vein. Right marginal vein, it is start from the right ventricles and run into the anterior, then merge into the small cardiac vein. And small cardiac vein is the continuation of the right marginal vein because it start from the right marginal vein. So it is a continuation of the right marginal vein which run posteriorly. This run posteriorly, small cardiac vein run posteriorly, and then merge into the right end of the coronary sinus. I already discussed that this is the right end of the coronary sinus, this is the left end of the coronary sinus, and this is the middle part of the coronary sinus. So this merge into the right end of the coronary sinuses. So this is the small cardiac vein. I will write small cardiac vein, and this is the middle cardiac vein. And now remaining veins, like different vein I will try to discuss. This is the right atrium, and one veins is called anterior cardiac vein are present into the which directly open into the right atrium. I discussed this type of the vein. These are open into the coronary sinus, not directly open, because all veins first of all open into the coronary sinus, then after coronary sinus open into the right atrium. All part of the coronary sinus which open into the right atrium, but some veins which directly open into the right atrium. it not open into the coronary sinus, like anterior cardiac vein and Thevesian vein. These both veins directly open into the right atrium. I will make anterior cardiac vein. Here is the like right atrium. I will choose different color, like I will choose this. Here is the right atrium, you all know. Here is the anterior cardiac vein present here. This is the anterior cardiac vein which present into the right atrium and directly open into the right atrium. So this is the anterior cardiac vein. It drain the right atrium and also present into the right atrium wall. So this is the anterior cardiac vein. I already made. One veins also remain here. This is the right. I already discussed great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein, small cardiac vein, right marginal vein, but here I didn't discuss the left marginal vein. Left marginal vein also it run along the left margin of the heart. Here I discussed that the right marginal vein same like this. Here present the left marginal vein and it goes like left portion anteriorly and merge into the great cardiac vein. It merge into the great cardiac vein. So I will make first the I will choose different color, pink. This is the left marginal vein. This also present in the anterior portion, so I will not make with the dotted line. I will make directly the single line and it directly merge into the great cardiac vein. This is the left marginal vein. So you see that here great cardiac vein present in the anterior portion because I didn't make is the dotted line. Great cardiac vein, middle cardiac I made with the dotted line, means it present in the posterior portion. Small cardiac vein which I made with the dotted line, it also present in the posterior portion. Right marginal vein, here is the it is present anterior most portion of the right ventricles and then after it drain into the small cardiac vein. Left marginal vein, here it present in the anterior portion and the anterior cardiac vein also present in the anterior portion. Oblique vein of the left atrium and the posterior vein of the left ventricle both are present in the posterior portion. So here not visible. I will make this into the posterior view. You already understand this different type of the vein. This is the I didn't write its name. This is the left marginal vein. So you all, I think you all understand about this. This is the great cardiac vein, this is the left marginal vein, this is the right marginal vein, this is the small cardiac vein and this is the middle cardiac vein. All vein here you see that all vein open into the coronary sinus except anterior cardiac vein, and I will also discuss the Thevesian vein. This directly open into the right atrium. Here is the Thevesian vein also present in the right atrium. I will discuss that this Thevesian vein present in the all chamber of the heart. Right atrium, right ventricles, left atrium and left ventricle. But large most type of the Thevesian vein present in the right atrium. So I always say that this is present in the right atrium, but this is present in the all chamber of the heart. But most of the teacher and the most of the YouTuber who made the video, he will discuss about the Thevesian vein present in the right atrium, but this present in the all chamber of the heart. Now I will discuss about the posterior view of the heart. Posterior view, like posterior view, I will make all the diagram in the also in the posterior view, but when these veins are present in the anterior view, so I will make this veins diagram with the dotted line in the posterior view. So I will start the posterior view. First of all, I said that the great cardiac vein. Here is the great cardiac vein. I will make the great cardiac vein with the green color. Here is the great cardiac vein which are present in the left portion. I already said that these are present in the left portion, apex of the heart, run in the anterior interventricular group. So I made this with the dotted line, and then it goes posteriorly. Here it goes posteriorly and open into the left part of the coronary sinus. So it open into the left part of the coronary sinus. After that, this is the great cardiac vein. I already said this is the great cardiac vein. This is the great cardiac vein. This present in the anterior portion, so I made this with the dotted line. Second is the second I will discuss the middle cardiac vein. Middle cardiac vein present in the posterior portion. This is the middle cardiac vein. Here I will make the middle cardiac vein. So I will make with the line because it present in the posterior portion. So this is the middle cardiac vein which directly open into the middle portion of the coronary sinuses. This is the middle cardiac vein. This open in directly into the middle portion of the coronary sinus. Second is the middle cardiac vein. Third, I will discuss the small cardiac vein. Small cardiac vein, first of all I will make right marginal vein. Then after, because it is a continuation of the right marginal vein, so first of all I will make the right marginal vein, and then it is a this is the I will make this with the dotted line. This is the dotted line. This is the right marginal vein. It's less visible, so I make this thick. It's the right marginal vein and goes here. This is the small cardiac vein. I will change the color of small cardiac vein. This is the small cardiac vein which open into the right portion of the coronary sinus. So this is the small cardiac vein, and this is the right marginal vein. Like this right marginal vein, here also left marginal vein also present. Left marginal vein, but it is present anterior view, so I will make this also with dotted line because this is the posterior view of the heart. So this is the left marginal vein which directly open into the great cardiac vein. So this is also a left marginal vein of the heart which drain the margins of the heart. This is the left marginal vein. Now I will make the posterior view. This is the posterior vein of the left ventricle. Here is the posterior vein of the left ventricle present because it drain the ventricles of the left ventricle. Here is the left ventricle, and so this is the posterior vein of the left ventricle. I didn't make here, I will, so I made this into the posterior view. This is the posterior vein of left ventricle. Posterior vein of left ventricle, and I already said this is the coronary sinuses. This is the coronary sinus. So this is the posterior vein of the left ventricle. This is the posterior view and this is the anterior view. Yeah, I think that you all understand about the where which vein is present in the anterior view and which vein present in the posterior view of the heart. Mainly these three veins are very important veins, and please learn this in which groups they will run. They will run into the which type of the groups, like anterior groups, posterior groups, because it's important, and in which portion of the heart, like anterior view it's visible into the anterior view or it's visible into the posterior view. So like I will make a summary of the this video. First of all, I will discuss about the anterior view of the heart. Then after, I will discuss about the posterior view of the heart. Anterior view of the heart, I will discuss mainly anterior view. These three veins are visible, like great cardiac vein, left marginal vein, and the right marginal vein. These are present in the anterior most portion, and these are visible into the anterior view of the heart, and it drain into the, like it drain the left right ventricles. This drain the left ventricles, and is also left portion of the ventricles and the to from the apex of the heart. Second vein, I discussed that the middle cardiac vein. Middle cardiac vein also it is present in the posterior most portion of the heart, and it run into the posterior interventricular groove and merge into the coronary sinus middle portion. After that, I discussed that the right marginal vein. After that, it continues into the small cardiac vein. It also present in the posterior most portion of the heart, and it merge into the right portion of the right part of the coronary sinuses. In this posterior view, I discussed that the this type of diagram, and also in anterior view I discussed that the anterior cardiac vein which present in the right atrium of the heart and directly open into the right atrium. And in the posterior view, same I made like anterior view, but here I also made the diagram of the posterior vein of the left ventricle which drain the left ventricle. Here is the posterior vein of the left ventricle. This is the middle cardiac vein which present also in the posterior view. This is the right marginal vein. I made with this with the dotted line. This is the right marginal vein, and continuation of this is the small cardiac vein which open into the right portion of that, and this open into the left portion. This is the great cardiac vein, and it open into the leftmost portion of the coronary sinus, and this is the left marginal vein which also open into the great cardiac vein which open into the coronary sinus. And after all these vein from the coronary sinus, coronary sinus drain this all into the right atrium. So all venous blood from the heart, it directly it from the coronary sinuses, it goes into the right atrium. So this is the venous drainage of the heart from the all part of the heart. Thank you for watching. If you like, then please subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for the get the notification.